Welcome to the Matrix, where Ling-1t, a trillion-parameter colossus with 50 billion neurons firing per token, now processes 20 trillion tokens of knowledge with the efficiency that would make even the architect jealous. Reality as you know it just fractured. What happens when machines can reason more efficiently than humans while consuming a fraction of the cognitive resources? Ling-1t represents the first true non-thinking trillion-parameter model with exceptional reasoning capabilities. This isn't just another large language model. It's a fundamental shift in the Pareto frontier of AI reasoning efficiency, balancing depth with speed in ways previously thought impossible. Using evolutionary chain of thought processing, it achieves what others cannot. The technical matrix reveals a marvel of engineering. A 1 trillion parameter mixed expert architecture with 50 billion active parameters per token, requiring industrial-grade compute clusters with thousands of GPUs. This open-source behemoth leverages FP8 training for 15% speedups while maintaining precision. Its revolutionary Ling 2.0 architecture implements specialized MTP layers and advanced routing mechanisms that redefine scaling laws. People who would pay for products created by this tool include Fortune 500 enterprises requiring advanced reasoning systems, research institutions pushing cognitive boundaries, specialized software companies needing precise code generation, educational platforms demanding accurate mathematics solutions, and financial institutions requiring complex logical analysis under time constraints. Capitalize on Ling-1t through specialized API services for reasoning-intensive tasks at premium rates. Create vertical-specific solutions for mathematics education platforms and professional services. Develop front-end generation tools for rapid prototyping agencies. Offer consulting services implementing reasoning pipelines across enterprises. Build specialized reasoning assistants for legal, medical, and financial sectors. Welcome to the Judgment Matrix, where we evaluate this colossus on 3 critical dimensions: the workforce earthquake rating, monetization potential rating, and operational cost efficiency rating. These metrics will reveal whether Ling-1t truly represents a paradigm shift or merely an incremental evolution. The job market trembles as software developers face a new reality where front-end prototyping becomes automated in seconds rather than days. Mathematics tutors and technical writers watch as their expertise becomes commoditized. Yet specialized roles emerge: prompt engineers, reasoning pipeline architects, and AI oversight specialists. I would give the tool a rating of 4 on the Judgment Matrix for Workforce Earthquake because its efficient reasoning capabilities directly target knowledge work. The path to profit appears paved with gold but requires navigating treacherous terrain. While trillion-parameter models promise unmatched value in reasoning-intensive domains, the hardware requirements create significant barriers to widespread deployment. Enterprise adoption remains constrained by integration complexity, despite exceptional capabilities. I would give the tool a rating of 3 on the Judgment Matrix for monetization potential, because exceptional capability meets exceptional deployment challenges. Behind the trillion parameters lies a sobering economic reality. Training this model consumed computational resources equivalent to millions in electricity alone. Inference requires specialized hardware configurations beyond typical cloud instances. Maintenance demands constant optimization as context requirements grow. I would give the tool a rating of 2 on the Judgment Matrix for operational cost, because the trillion-scale architecture demands resources beyond most organizations' reach. As we disconnect from this journey through the trillion-parameter frontier, remember, the true revolution isn't in the parameters, but in how they transform our relationship with reasoning itself. What happens when machines don't just think faster, but think differently? Subscribe to witness more explorations of these silicon frontiers that reshape our reality. No see out.